Ever wondered how to cash out on your Stashaway investments? Maybe you need the funds for a down payment, a dream vacation, or simply want to rebalance your portfolio. Selling your investments on Stashaway might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps involved. First things first, log into your Stashaway account. Once you're in, navigate to the Portfolio section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your investments. Locate the specific investment you wish to sell. It could be a particular fund, or even a portion of your entire portfolio. Now, let's initiate the selling process. Look for the Sell or Redeem button associated with the investment you've selected. Clicking this button will typically open a new window or page. Here, you'll be asked to specify the amount you wish to sell. You can either enter a specific amount in figures or choose a percentage of your holdings. Before you finalize the sale, take a moment to review the details. Confirm the amount you're selling, the investment you're selling, and the estimated settlement date. Stashaway will usually provide an estimate of how long it will take for the funds to reach your linked bank account. Once you're satisfied with the details, proceed to confirm the sale. You might be required to authenticate the transaction through additional security measures, such as entering a one-time password, OTP, sent to your registered mobile number. After successfully confirming the sale, Stashaway will process your request. The funds will then be transferred to your linked bank account within the estimated settlement period. You will typically receive a confirmation email or notification once the funds have been credited to your account. Now, let's address some important considerations. Firstly, remember that investment returns are not guaranteed. The value of your investments can fluctuate, and you may incur a loss upon selling. Secondly, selling your investments may have tax implications. It's advisable to consult with a qualified financial advisor or tax professional to understand the tax consequences of selling your investments. Finally, while selling your investments is generally a straightforward process, it's always recommended to review Stashaway's terms and conditions carefully. This will ensure you understand the platform's policies and procedures related to selling investments. With that said, selling your investments on Stashaway is a relatively simple process that can be completed within a few minutes. However, it's crucial to understand the implications of selling and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.